Morning, good morning, good morning. Turn this off and get ready for work, you guys. I'm so excited for Christmas. We literally have so many gifts. I know it's kind of dark in here, y'all, but bear with me, bear with me. So yeah, y'all, I'm excited about Christmas and the holidays, and yeah, I feel like this was a good Christmas this year. And I feel like my love language is gift giving and receiving. I like to receive gifts, but I also love to give a good, thoughtful gift. Like, I love to put together, like, the gift baskets. That's why you guys always see me do, like, the little gift baskets and stuff. Like, that's so me. It's day 2. Drinking the black coffee with lemon. I didn't lose no weight, y'all. I was weighing myself this morning. Babe's like, did you really think it was gonna work overnight? I'm like, no, but I'm only doing it for 3 days, so we'll see, y'all. I'm just taking this home. So pretty much I'm gonna drink this, and I was done with it about 9:30 yesterday. I'll probably be done a little bit faster today. We'll see. And I'm gonna be drinking it with water. I'm gonna try to drink it a little bit faster. And then I want to make me a protein coffee with the vanilla sweet cream Cobra I have. And then I bought one of those Cafe Latte Premier proteins. And then that'll help me kind of last over until lunchtime. And I don't know what we're gonna have for lunch yet, but yeah, we'll just see how the day goes. I just wanted to say good morning. I'm getting all logged into everything, about to go through my emails and stuff. Hey y'all, so it is later on. It is still Tuesday, and I just wanted to hop on here really quick because my Christmas package came from the Christmas exchange I'm doing with my friend on Instagram, James and Lisa. Her name is Lisa, but that's her Instagram account. I'll leave it across the screen for you guys. But she's just the sweetest person. I met her on Instagram. She watches my YouTube channel also. Just super supportive, always just leaving me comments, always participating in my engagements and stuff. And I just appreciate people. Like, literally, you just meet some of the best people on social media and through YouTube. But I'm just so forever grateful. So she made a post a while ago about doing a Christmas exchange, and I was like, oh, that'd be fun, because I used to love doing stuff like these. I used to do them every year, actually, and I thought this would just be so fun. But you guys, the box is so big. Like, I was not expecting it to be this big. We didn't set any budget or any limits. Usually in the Christmas exchange, we usually do like set limits and stuff, like a budget or something, but we didn't even do that. She was just like, do whatever you want, and I'm gonna do whatever I want. But you guys, I was not expecting this big old box, and it's heavy. So I'm like, let me just vlog my genuine reaction, because I'm already so grateful. So before I even open it, thank you so much, Lisa, for everything, for doing this exchange with me, for being so sweet, supportive, and I just really appreciate that. So I just want to say thank you. So yeah, y'all, let's open it up. So it's super cute. Okay, so this is how it looks. So we also did a book exchange as well as a Christmas exchange. So yeah, I'm just gonna start going in. So the first thing is this Ferrero Collection Fine Assorted Confection Chocolate, and it looks like this is like a holiday trio. It has the signature, it has the Ronde Noir, and it says Raffaello. These ones right here. So those are the 3 that they have. So I've actually never tried this chocolate before. I know people talk about these all the time and say it's really good chocolate. So I'm excited to have a pack to try. Okay, so then next, you guys, there's so much stuff in here. So this is, oh, it looks like a sample. So this is the Thayer's Natural Remedy Witch Hazel. And it's also, I think, a coupon. Yeah, I think that's a coupon. So it's a sample of that, the witch hazel, as well as a coupon. And then I also got, what is this? A Fair Trade Organic Sumatra Mad Healing Ground Coffee. So it's another sample of ground coffee. I am a huge coffee lover, so right up my alley. So the next couple things I see, are these super cute. These are eye masks, and a lip mask. So this is so cute. And then 2 of these under eye. This is a hydrating collagen eye pad. And this is some Grace and Stella ones. I also see face mask. I sent her a couple face masks as well. This Tea Tree Refreshing one. Ooh, this Tatcha Louis Dewy Silk Mask. Y'all, my camera is literally always trying to play me when I'm trying to do something, but yeah, I had to clear up some space. Okay, so then next I got this Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin Detoxifying Bubbling Paper Mask. Ooh, these are some really cool masks. And then this last one is a Brightening Vitamin C Sheet Mask. Okay, next it looks like some teas. Ooh. So I'm trying to get into more teas, so I'm glad she sent me some different ones. And these are some probiotic teas, which are good for your digestion. So that's really nice. That's all about what I'm trying to do right now. So the first couple are Peppermint Delight Probiotic. And then these ones are the Big Fellow Lemon Ginger Probiotic Tea. Next is this, ooh, cute Mary Cookie. This is a Bath and Body Works candle. Well, actually it says White Barn and Mary Cookie. Ooh, that smells really good. It smells just like a sugar cookie with like a hint of brown sugar. So that smells really, really good and it's cute. The next thing I got is this Swiss Miss Caramel Hot Cocoa Mix. Ooh. That's real. I can't wait to try that. So I love having all kind of extra stuff like besides coffee all the time, because you know at night sometimes you want a warm drink but you don't want to have like coffee. Like right now I've had 2 cups of coffee right now and you can tell because I'm like running a million miles an hour. Okay, so next I see this super cute bear. Look how cute it is. And it says Smart Cookie on there. This is so cute. It's from Build-A-Bear Workshop. And it has my name on it. You guys, this is so cute. And it says, a new reading buddy. Oh, that's so nice. And it has a Zales box in it. Ooh. You guys, I got some new diamond earrings. Wow. That's so special. Like, Lisa, oh my gosh. So I got that. That's so cute. Like, that is so freaking cute. Okay, next is a bath bomb. This is a sugar cookie bomb in fun size. I love bath bombs. I have a whole container in my bathroom, you guys know. So next is more tea. This is the Red Rose Sweet Temptations Caramel Apple Pie Herbal Flavored Tea. Ooh. So I have lots of good, yummy stuff to try. The next 2 things I see are these super cute little sticky notes right up my alley. I love stuff like this. I'm super into planning and stuff like that. Okay, next I have this Kickin' Chicken Seasoning by Weber. I love how everything is like so many different things too. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, next is this Airwick Essentials Lavender and Chamomile. I love these plugins for the bathroom. We actually need one right now. I can't wait to put that in. Next is a diamond art painting. What? I love these. I wonder if she knew I like these. But it's a diamond art painting. You guys know I love to do these. And I literally got another one to try, so that is like so cool. Okay, next is this Dr. Teal's Epsom Salt Exfoliate and Renew with Lavender Body Scrub. I'm really excited to try this because I've never tried a body scrub from Dr. Teal's before, so love that. You did so good, Lisa. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then I also got these super cute little, I think these are like just cute little stickers, and then this cute little ornament that looks like she might have made. It says Happy Holidays. This is so cute. Okay, let's see. And then I also got this cute little baggie full of goodies. Next is this cute little keychain. It's like an ornament. And then these cute cross like not paper clips. Yeah, paper clips. Those are super cute for like my Bible or my devotion. And then 2 little cute candles. And then I also got this Zoe Ayla Face and Body Ice Roller. Ooh, that looks really cool. Face and Body Ice Roller. Oh my God, I have a jade roller, but this ain't got nothing. This feels so good. Ooh, I can't wait to use that. So that was bomb. And then let's see what else we got in here. We got a hand cream and Mary Cookie, a shea butter hand cream from Bath and Body Works, as well as this pumpkin sleeping pack. It's an eye enzyme peeling and nourishing pumpkin sleeping pack. And 2 super cute colorable bookmarks. So I can't wait to color those. And then the last thing in here is for our book exchange that we decided to do. And she sent me Lisa Gardner, Before She Disappeared. I've heard a lot about Lisa Gardner as an author and as well as this book. So I'm actually really excited to dive into this. And she also sent me this super duper cute bookmark to go with it. Let me see here where she says, Before She Disappeared book swap as seen on Go Danny J. Custom bookmark is made by Gabby. Let's read. 5-star stickers to rate on bookmark. Oh, super cute. Love it. And she got this book recommended from Danny J on YouTube. You guys know I talk about her all the time. So thank you so much, Lisa, for doing that gift exchange with me. I wish you had a YouTube channel so everybody could see what I got you. But I appreciate and love everything so much. Thank you for doing this with me. Thank you for becoming such a really good social media friend. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Thank you for everything. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys a little bit later. I need to get back to work.
Rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me.